So hello guys, today I'll show you or I'll teach you how to turn off Vsync in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So please watch carefully and follow my steps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. First, go to NVIDIA control panel. Make sure you have NVIDIA control panel. Click. So go here, manage 3D settings. Scroll down, find the Vsync here, vertical sync. Click this arrow down, set to off, then click apply. The next step is go to program settings. Example, you add your Minecraft here, so let's click the Epic Games. Scroll down, vertical sync, click off, then apply. Okay, the next step is go to percent up data, sorry, wrong spelling, up data. Click here, up data, go to local, find the package, find Minecraft here, go to local state, go to games, go to Minecraft PE, and double click the options, find the Vsync, GFX Vsync here, change 1 into 0, then click file, save, X, check if vertical sync is changed here. That's all. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So thank you.